When you want to duplicate something in QuarkXPress, Quark gives you a couple of nice ways of doing this. So here I've created a simple box with a simple fill, and I'm going to duplicate it. And the first way I'm going to do it, instead of doing a copy and paste, I'll click and drag first, hold the Alt key down or Option on the Mac and drag it to the right. And you can see in Quark the automatic guys that come up. So these are snapping to make sure they're still on the same horizontal line. I'll let go of the mouse button first, let go of the Alt. Boom. But I want several more of them at the same distance apart, so I'll do Command or Control D a few times, and there you go. And if I delete those and do it again, click and drag, Alt, but I'll do a shorter distance between the two. Let go of the mouse, let go of the Alt, Command D. Nice and straightforward. And I can do the same again. I can highlight that, click and drag down, Alt again, making sure I'm in the same vertical direction. Let go of the mouse first, Command D, etc, etc. Nice and straightforward. I'll undo that. Under the item menu, there's the duplicate, and there's also a super step and repeat, which is quite nice. So if I wanted to be a bit more specific, I can do a repeat count, a horizontal and a vertical offset, and I can even do this. If I do say 5 and a horizontal offset of say 30, and a vertical offset of 0, and I'll do an end shade of 0, and I'll do OK. There you go. And what's nice is you can see the fill goes from the full color to nothing. Nice and simple.